Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain the question number one of the internet one. Here, write the algorithm flowchart to solve the pair of the equation for x and y given the values of a, b, c and p, q, r, where ax plus 2y is equal to 6, px plus qy is equal to r. These are the two given equation, and this is the table. And we have to calculate the case 1, case 2, case 3, and the comment on the. First of all, we will calculate the value of ax plus by plus equal to c, px plus qy is equal to r in case 1, case 2, case 3, and case 4. Let's see. This is the general equation we have given, and the augmented form of these equation is this AB. This coefficient we will write here, then after we write B coefficient here, then after we write C here, and the coefficient of X we write here P, the coefficient of by Q we will write here, and the R is here. This is the augmented form. And for applying the elimination, we have to use this R2 is equal to R2 minus P by A, means P by A into R1. This is the method for making this value 0. The main target to solve the augmented form is to make this term 0. Then we can easily find the value of x and y. Okay, now let's see the case number 1. Here, this is the case. In this case, these are the value we have given in the question. The value of x means sorry a. The value of a in case 1 is given 2.5. Value of b in case 1 is 2.5, and value of q. Value of value of and the value of c is given here is 6.2, and the value of and here the value of P is 1.251, and the value of Q here is 2.605 by is equal to 3 point, and the value of R is equal to 3.152. These are the value given, and we will make the augmented matrix of this equation. This equation 2.5 5.2, like this we have told earlier how we will make the augmented matrix. This is the augmented matrix, and we will find the eliminating factor. We will by this will be we will write this in the numerator, and we will write this into the denominator. After this, we will calculate the value of eliminator factor. Then we will apply this row operation. R2 R2 is equal to R2 minus 0.5004 into R1. We will apply on this augmented matrix, then we will get this, and then after we will find the value from here. We will write 0.0792 by is equal to 0.0492 is means, and this is the value of y, and this is the value of x, and this is the value for y. So in this equation we write 2.5x, and this is the value of y, and so we write 2.5 into we have find the value of y, so we put here and is equal to this. And after solving this, we will get the value of x equal to minus 10.2525, and the value of x is equal to, and the value of y is equal to 6.53. Then in the second case, there is a slightly change in the coefficient change. The slightly equation uses 2.606 instead of 2.605. There is a slightly change in the value of q. If we see the case number 2, there is a slightly change in the value of q. Then we find the equation similarly. These are same values, only change in the value of q. These are the equation form. When we take the value from the table, then this equation will be formed. Then we make the augmented of this, and then after we will find the elimination factor and apply this operation. After that, we get the value of y is equal to 5.55 by 6, and the x is equal to 9.067. These are the value. Okay. Then after again we will see the case number 3. Case number 3 we have given the value of A is equal to 0.2 into 10 to the power minus 4 and value of B given 2 and the value of C given 3, C or 2 and the value of P given 1 and the value of Q given is equal to 2 and the value of R given is 4 and we have to calculate the value of X and Y. Let's see. Equation, these are the equation. We will write here this value, then we will write the value of y to by here, then this equation will form, and then again we will write the value of 1 here in the coefficient of x, we will write the value of 2 in the coefficient of y, then the value this and this here, and make the similarly that we will make the augmented matrix, then we will apply the row operation. After applying this row operation, we will get the value of y is equal to 0.99998 and the value of x is equal to 2.00004. And let's see now. Now, uh, case 4, we have given the value of A is equal to 1 and the value of B is equal to 2 and the value of C is equal to and the value of C is equal to 4 and the value of P is equal to 0.2 into 10 to the power minus 4 and this, so we after taking this value we form this equation, we have formed this equation, then after we apply the augmented form and apply, then after we will apply the row operation. After applying these operations we get the value of x equal to 2.004 and y is equal to 0.99998. So now our question number A, question number first, first part of the question number is comment on the case 1 and case 2. As we see in the question, there is a slightly difference between the value of q. The value of q changes from 2.605 to 2.606. Then this caused a very large change in the value of xy. We can see that in case we get the value of x equal to 10.525, but in case we get the value of x is 9.067 and we get the value of y in case first is 6.253 and in case 2 we get the value of y is equal to 5.552. Then we can see that there is a large difference between the value of x and the y's in both the cases. So we can say this happened because the pivot value determinant is very small. Okay, and determinant is very small, so we get this, making the system highly sensitive to the small coefficient changes. Means if we change in the small value of this coefficient, then we will get the drastic change. Thus, this condition is known as ill condition system. Okay, now let's see the case number 2. In case 2, we have interchanged the value of the ABC and PQR. So on changing the value, we get very less difference. We get we not significantly change the final value. Means value are likely to be similar. Hence, the order of the equation does not affect the actual solution because the value of xy does not change in the case 3 and 4, so it does not affect the actual solution. Then thank you everyone.